CRISPR is a tool that allows gene editing in pretty much any type of cell and allows us to target any type of gene. That means we can ultimately cure cancer.
Chances are good you've heard the term CRISPR by now. The gene editing tool continues to fuel optimism and debate in the scientific community, often in equal measures. What you may not know is that the technology has countless applications beyond the human genome. CRISPR has the potential to change the way we produce everything, from materials to medicine. The problem is accessibility. Historically, the tool has been very difficult and very expensive to work with, until Synthego, that is. We visited the biotechnology startup to learn how they're democratizing CRISPR research.
I'm Luke.
I'm Paul.
Paul, nice to meet you, Paul. You okay?
Mike?
That's right.
Mike, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I've heard a lot about CRISPR-Cas9 and Synthego. Can you guys show me exactly what you do?
Sure. Right. Let's show you around. So CRISPR is a great new technology that allows you to very easily modify the genes of organisms. So you can knock out a gene or you can insert a gene. And this is very novel because previously it was difficult to do this. Now you can do it to most any type of cell, to any type of organism, reasonably simply. So for example, let me show you what we do here. In order to perform a CRISPR gene edit, you need to obtain a Cas9 protein, and you need to target that protein to go to a certain location and cut the DNA of a cell. What we create here are the materials that you need for that. So this is one of our CRISPR kits. We can create this at very, very high quality, at very, very high speed, at very low cost. So traditionally, for scientists to be able to perform a gene edit, it would take them a week or two, or maybe even 3 or 4 weeks to prepare the materials that they need before they can do the edit. Whereas now, the way this works is a customer goes to us, they say, hey, Synthego, I would like to knock out this sequence. Here's my target. They specify those details on the website. We have a manufacturing process that is built on top of the platform that we've developed, and after a couple of days, we send them this kit. And then the researcher can very, very easily perform the gene edit in their lab.
I sat down with the co-founder, Paul Dabrowski, to learn more about what Synthego does.
Right now, Synthego is on the cutting edge of science. We're combining the best of the engineering world and the best of the biotech world in an unprecedented way. What we're focused on right now is making kits for therapies and medicine. Then in plant biology, people are making much better tasting foods, things that are resistant to drought. And then further, in the materials space, there's all sorts of new materials and all sorts of new biofuels that are going to be coming out with CRISPR as the tool.
Is CRISPR changing the way we think about safety in the world?
So just like any tool or technology, it increases the capability for humans to do either things that improve the world or it makes the world worse. And so it's very important for us to focus on the use cases that are helpful. So the next couple years, the cutting edge science we do here is going to start affecting the world because there will be new therapies coming out. We're going to start feeding the world, and the environment is going to become cleaner and safer with the technologies we're creating.